Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this repair. You will need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a microfiber cloth for cleaning. Make sure you have a clean workspace to avoid losing any screws or components. Start by powering off your HP 15seq1018ns and disconnecting it from any power source. Remove the battery if possible, as this will ensure your safety during the repair process. Next, locate the screws on the back panel of the laptop. There are typically 10 screws that need to be removed. Use your Phillips screwdriver to carefully unscrew each one, placing them in a small container to keep them organized. If you're unsure about the screw sizes, remember to take a picture before removing them for reference. Once all screws are removed, use the plastic spudger to gently pry open the back panel. Start at one corner and work your way around, being cautious not to damage any clips. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you may have missed. With the back panel removed, you will see the internal components of the laptop. Take this opportunity to clean any dust or debris using the microfiber cloth. This will help improve airflow and prevent overheating. Now locate the LCD cover. It is typically secured with additional screws around the edges. Carefully remove these screws, ensuring you keep track of their locations. If you find it challenging to access certain screws, a magnetic screwdriver can be very helpful. After removing the screws, gently lift the LCD cover away from the screen. Be cautious of any cables that may be attached. If there are, disconnect them carefully. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable performing this repair, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you. Once the old LCD cover is removed, take the new cover and align it with the screen. Reconnect any cables if necessary, and secure the cover in place with the screws you previously removed. Make sure everything is tight but avoid over-tightening, as this can damage the new cover. After securing the LCD cover, it's time to reattach the back panel. Align it properly and press down gently until you hear the clips snap into place. Replace all the screws on the back panel, ensuring they are tightened securely. Finally, reinsert the battery if you removed it and power on your laptop to check if everything is functioning correctly. If you encounter any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a professional diagnosis without obligation. We can provide a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs up front. This concludes our tutorial on replacing the LCD cover on the HP 15seq1018ns. Remember, if you prefer not to handle this yourself, we are here to help with no calls, no travel, just a simple pickup and delivery service. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio description.